Hi, welcome to Scratch Programming Tutorial. My name is Vinitha. In this series, we are going to learn to code using Scratch program. I'll show you how to access the Scratch program on your browser. First, open your browser, type in Scratch program, go to the first result which says scratch.mit.edu. Now click on that link and it will take you to the home page of Scratch. You can explore this page. There are lots of programming ideas here. You can also take a look at the projects done by other programmers like you. Now let's set up your account. Click on the Join tab and follow the instructions to create your account. Choose a new username and password. Fill in the necessary details in this screen. Enter your email ID. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after this. Don't forget to open your inbox and click on the confirmation link. And here you are in your welcome screen. Now click on the Create tab to go to your editor. This is your workspace. You will be adding code blocks to this area to create your project by dragging and dropping blocks from here. You can access more blocks from here by clicking these icons. This is called a Sprite, which is the main character in the Scratch program. You can access different sprites by clicking on this icon, which takes you to this page. You can also search for a sprite or click on the different categories to find a sprite here. You can also change your backdrop by clicking on this icon and going to the next page where you have a variety of backdrops to choose from. You can also search or go to different categories to find a backdrop of your liking. Now that you're ready to do your first project, let me show you a simple Scratch project where the sprite moves back and forth. So this is a very simple project and you can do it easily. Now let's learn how to do it. Okay, so we are going to do a project where the sprite moves back and forth. It runs back and forth, okay? For that, first go to the code block and find the move block. So here it is. I'm going to bring it to the work area. So now I'm going back to the code block and from the events tab, I'm going to find the first one which says when green flag clicked, and I'm going to bring that block on top of the move block. So now click on the green flag button here on the top and see what happens. So the sprite moved a little bit, but our objective is to make the sprite run back and forth. Now for that, we have to find another block of code. So go back to the codes and find control and click on that tab, and there you can find forever block. Now click on that and bring it to the code area, the work area. Fit the forever block between the when and the move block. Okay, so it fits right in there. So the code now becomes when green flag clicked, forever move 10 steps. So now we are expecting the sprite to move forever, but what happens is when it reaches the edge, now it stops because it doesn't know what to do when it reaches the edge, because we haven't given a code for that. So now let's fix that. So go to the motion tab and find the block which says if on edge bounce. Click and drag it to the center. Place it under the move block. Make sure that the if block is inside the forever block because we need this code every time it reaches the edge. And there you have it, your sprite is running now. But your sprite is running upside down now. So go back to the motion tab in the code block and find set rotation style block and set the rotation as left to right. By default it is left right. Place this under the if block and inside the forever block. Now your sprite is running back and forth as we wanted. And that's your first project. Congratulations. Subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Thank you.